7. Vacuum the system pipeline. After finishing the airtight test, please connect the outdoor unit pipeline to arrange vacuum. The air discharge capacity of the vacuum pump must be greater than 4 liters per second. The precision of the vacuum pump must be greater than 0.02 millimeters of mercury. After connecting the vacuum pump, let the vacuum pump operate continuously for 4 hours and then check whether the vacuum degree reaches minus 0.1 megapascal. If not, leakage may exist and please perform leakage check again. If no leakage exists, continue to vacuum for 2 hours. If the vacuum degree cannot meet the standard after vacuuming twice, there may be water in the pipe when it is confirmed that no leakage exists. In this case, discharge water by blowing nitrogen. Perfuse nitrogen at 0.05 megapascal to the pipe, and then vacuum for 2 hours, and keep the vacuum for 1 hour. If the vacuum degree of minus 0.1 megapascal cannot be reached, repeat this operation till water is discharged. After vacuuming, turn off the regulation valve and keep for 2 hours. If the pressure of the regulation valve does not increase, vacuum is passed.